Well, this pandemic has taught us the importance of each and everything in our lives, be it health or our life in general. And when it comes to heart, the priorities have changed for sure. With a few tweaks in our daily lifestyles, we can keep a check on our heart health. So today, we are gonna talk about the different ways to improve heart health. Don't we all know how important physical activities are? First, what are the things that we must avoid? Smoking kills. Yes, it does. If you are a chain smoker, then seek help. Take baby steps and you will make it. Eating a large amount of food can affect the flow of blood from the heart to the digestive system. Eat small portion and you are sorted. Heart healthy food for the win. For your next gathering, try salmon spread and salads with vegetables. Guacamole is also a heart healthy appetizer. So without further ado, add it to your party menu the next time. The good news is that both chocolate and wine are beneficial to heart health. But the bad news is only in moderation. Antioxidants in alcohol and cocoa help increase good cholesterol, lower bad cholesterol, and improve blood clotting function. So cheers! Last but not least, do not stress. We repeat, do not stress, darling. There are over 1,400 biochemical responses to stress, including increased blood pressure and heart rate. If you don't manage your stress, it can spiral out of control, trapping you in a stress cycle.